Hey everyone, Donnie with Anderson Ford Motorsport here. In today's product spotlight, we're going to be taking a look at a brand new clutch system from our friends at Competition Clutch. So the clutch that I have here on the table is actually from Competition Clutch. It's actually their Vengeance series of clutches. Their Vengeance line is for their V8 domestic cars running a multi-piece or twin disc clutch. Comes actually complete with everything you need to install it into your car. And it actually has a very attractive price point too, being cheaper than most other twin discs on the market. Another major plus in regards to this particular kit is that it actually comes with a flywheel already ready to go. So the kit comes here as you see it. It's already pre-assembled, so in order to install it, you'll have to of course take it apart, but at least here you can see how it's actually supposed to go together. Another cool feature is that it comes with brand new flywheel hardware as well. And of course it comes with your clutch alignment tool, instructions, and of course Loctite. So there is a lot involved in regards to installing a clutch into your car, but we're not going to do this as a basic step-by-step. There's a lot of other videos out there on YouTube that have done it way better than I ever could. But of course we'll, once we get to the point of actually installing this clutch, we'll take the time to show you all the different steps of putting together this particular twin disc clutch into your Mustang. This kit of course is for any 2011 to 2018 Mustang GT with the NT82 transmission, and the torque capacity on this thing is actually rated at 750 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. So it's not just rated at the flywheel, it's actually rated to the wheels. So it's got really good high torque capacity, and also the nice thing is of course it being a twin disc clutch, it's kind of a light pedal pressure effort. So that's super nice for a street car. And of course having the flywheel and all the major components you need to install is a very big plus. So again, it's not going to be a basic how-to, but of course we're going to show you all the major components once it's time to put this clutch in. Now of course, installing a clutch, there's a lot involved. It can be done on your own, you can't do it in your own garage. However, if you have access to a lift, it's highly recommended to do so. And of course, since a clutch there's being a lot involved, if it's not something you want to take on, give us a call at Anderson Ford and give our service department a call. They can set you up with an appointment and get one of these bad boys installed for you, no problem. Okay, so we got a lot of work ahead of us. Let's go ahead and get the car on a lift and let's get to work. Okay everyone, it is the next day here. Got the clutch installed, transmission's back in, everything's back together. So we're gonna go ahead and take this car on a little bit of a test drive here and just see how I like the clutch, give you guys my overall thoughts on it and everything, and we'll just go cruising. Being a twin disc clutch, you can definitely tell it's pretty different compared to like a stock clutch or just a single disc clutch. The engagement points are very much more direct. There's no vagueness to it anymore, and It's going to take some getting used to. I have driven twin disc clutched Mustangs before, and they all kind of behave pretty much the same way. That's just the nature of the beast, being a twin disc clutch. But pedal pressure effort right off the bat, you notice that it's got a little bit more of a heavier pedal, but not much different than stock. It's still very manageable. I still have no problem driving this daily and having any fatigue on my legs. Something else to note in regards to being a twin disc clutch, a lot of times when you go with these higher end performance clutches, you'll get some chatter. And being a twin disc design, usually that's where you can hear it the most. So far, very minimal. You have to actually listen for it. It's not something that you're just going to be sitting here driving, putting it in gear and shifting and just saying to yourself, man, that's really, really annoying. And so far, like, I've been trying to listen for it to see if it's inconsistent or if it happens here and there. I've only heard it a little bit, and I think that was just for my initial break-in. And you know, again, being that it's a twin disc clutch, and again with other high performance, high-end clutches, chatter is to be expected. So far with this clutch, very minimal, and again, not really noticeable unless you're listening for it. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video in regards to the Vengeance clutch from Competition Clutch. Overall, pretty nice package for what you get, and again, a very attractive price point. And again, it's something that you probably don't want to take on your own. Make sure you have a couple helping hands in there for your friends if you're planning on tackling it yourself. And again, if it's a little too intimidating for you, a little too much of a undertaking, be sure to give Averson Ford a call, and they'll be happy to install one for you. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and keep driving this thing and get this thing broken in so that way I can go have some fun with it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.